Hello guys, nice to meet you. I am Paola. I am a tour leader and a tour guide of my tour in Italy. So guys, welcome into my kitchen. You know, in these days we are all forced to stay at home. Apart from my husband, he works in a hospital as a doctor and he's as busy as a bee in these days. But what about me? But this morning I woke up with a very good idea. I said to me, why don't you prepare something special? So what's about having the typical ragù, Tuscan ragù, guys? Are you ready to prepare it with me? So let's start. My personal quick and basic version that cooks around 1-2 hours, and not the version of the grandma that usually cooks all Sunday morning long for 4 or 5 hours. Let's wait for a few minutes and let's get some wine for me too. Very good Chianti Classico. There's nothing left for me to do but say buon appetito, and always remember, join my tour to discover Italy and to get the best and unique experiences. Bye!